go.
Okay, now go. All right, Alex.
I'm not hearing anything. It's a rock now.
All right, I gotta see this.
Oh God. No. Yeah, section again.
God, it looks like someone peed. It looks like a giant pee. I guess. Alright.
Yep.
Bleh.
Okay.
Where's that girl?
3, 2, hold on.
Wait.
Hold on. Go.
Damn it, Mark. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Oh!
There we go.
That completely got blown out. Hey, can I ask one
That's all the
thing?
pop that's in there?
Can I ask one thing?
What?
Yes.
Why?
It looks like somebody got
Why not?
hit by a car,
See this?
and then the car drugged them.
Like, maybe a toy car.
iPod.
Maybe a toy person.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
Anyone wants a free aluminum can?
No.
Aluminum.
Aluminium can?
Aluminium. That's the.
Aluminium.
That is the
Aluminium.
residue. What is that? That's just fuzz.
Yeah.
So. Thanks for watching.
Saved.
Thank you.
Stay hammy, man.